Hi guys, I'm just trying to get something out there, right? I'm going to tell you about this artificial wannabe university that's located on 1A Marsco Road, Kingston 5, the so-called The Mico University. I don't know what the D is for because there's nothing prestige about it at this present moment. I did this course in 2014, first semester, with a lecturer called Beverly Crooks Johnson. I am not going to withhold anyone's identity at this point. I got an A plus for the course because at the end of the course, she told us the grade that we got. No, in October, about the last week of October, I think, we got a notification saying one of our grade is missing, which is the grade for her course, and we need to check with the lecturer so we can get the grade. At that point, I thought it was something where you can just call up the lecturer or email her and say, okay, the grade is missing, so, please just submit it to the exams department or whatever, because that's what I was trying to do. I couldn't find the lecturer for some reason. Then in November, I got another notification saying the grade is still missing and they're trying to compile the graduation list. So if you don't submit the grade, you're not going to be on the graduation list and you won't be able to graduate. All right? Still I try to get the grade. Still I try to get through to the teacher. I failed. As a result, I couldn't attend my graduation because my name wasn't on the list because the grade could not be found. 2, I know the grade can't find, and every dean or everybody was supposed to be able to help me not respond to none of my email them, not respond to none of my call them, and them not put out no effort to help me in the situation where me not put myself in it because me do the course, me no owe my no money, and me get my grade because the teacher tell me my grade. So all I need to do is contact the teacher, the lecturer, and make sure resubmit the grade to them. You understand what I say? And I know me can't get no justice. Me not attend my college graduation when me sit down 4 years at Mico and stress out myself. Me could attend my graduation. 2, me can't get a transcript because the grade is missing. 3, I cannot get the degree because the course grade is outstanding. And no matter who me lecture, who may try to contact Upper Mico, nobody now respond to me. No, people want to get that video out there now. Because people need to see how unprofessional Mico is. And if you don't believe, say, people have time for it to sit down 4 years up on Mico, and then at the end of the day, when you forget the little degree, if you move on, we have probably make a sad mistake. And anybody out there, we have it in our little mind. So you're not going to apply for upper Mico, I tell you, say, on abort mission. Do not go. Me tell you, do not go. Me talk from experience. Do not go. That school is so unprofessional. Everybody up there sit down on them office and them exam department, wherever them they run them table, sit down on chair, a warm chair, cause them now do no work. And I collect people money. You get me I say? You know people get money for pay a college fee much less. Only sit down up there and now help people get through. You understand? We are finding me there now and make you email somebody or call somebody and try to resolve the little problem. And everything on about it is not becoming of a teacher. Your behavior is not becoming of a teacher. And until people act unprofessional and rude, that's when you don't acknowledge people. You understand what I say? So the next thing what we need to do is go to the Gleaner Company, the Jamaica Observer, or one of them press that to get your name out there. To make people see that uno not prim and uno not prama, uno not proper. I'm sick of uno. So I want people to share this video so people can know the level of unprofessionalism we are going up at that the school. You understand what I say? I need my grade so I can get my degree because I don't want this escalate. Trust me. So anybody who feels say you not go to Mico and be easy sailing, you not have a next guest coming. Because up at that school not pretty. And anybody want object to me and say I don't care who feels it knows. You understand? As the semester them start them and run back on for collect no money. And when you in a problem, you run back at them and them not help you. You understand? All them care about are money. Once them get them money, them good. Them not help you as a student. You're supposed to can go to the college and get help if you are in a certain situation. This is not the case. Me need uno to share that video here so everybody can see. Say the little picture with Mico paint. So them this Prim and Pram University. It is not so. You get me? It is not so.